Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Oh, can I reach that? No, I can't. Morning, Cody. Good morning, Jerry. Look at that death that happened in YM, and I couldn't capture it. Unfortunately, unfortunately, we have data at 10 a.m. anyway, so all good. We're gonna go ahead and wait. What's gonna happen? Good morning to everybody coming in. What's good, y'all? Have any of you guys printed in pre-market? I mean, I did my pre-market trade on ES. So we got a cool little 85 bucks. Nothing too crazy, something light. I mean, I got in late, so it's all good. Morning, Paul. Damn, ES is taking off. Good morning, guys. Welcome in. Yeah, I got a my pre-morning trade on ES. I got this one right here. I entered there, trade design. I entered a little bit late, like around there, and I pulled out just right there. Just for a quick scalp for 85 bucks. So nothing too crazy. I got my pre-market win. Morning, guys. Good morning to everybody coming in. Waiting to trade after all the news is out. Yeah, we got hella fucking news. We got hella news. Yeah, there's nothing to do here. Trade design printed. That's already it. Um, we got. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Because I'm playing micros. We're just chopping around right here. And then, of course, we have YM with a death and the fucking huge recovery back up. Yeah, news in 2 minutes. Absolutely. So we're just go ahead and wait. I'm gonna chill on here on YM though. I'm gonna trade that today and see what it does. It had a beautiful move on pre-market. What a beautiful move. It moves so nice, dude. Um, has anybody has anybody back tested and looked at the historical trade designs that I told you about, which gives you way more confidence in the system? I hope you guys did because back testing really, really helps. It truly helps. 30 seconds till news drops. Let's see what's going on. What was the news? It was at 8:30. I guess it didn't really do jack shit. It didn't do jack shit. Um, you left early on the stream. Was it just back testing in general? Oh, no, that I was just showing you guys. If you go to Tiny AI, oh, look at that. So now we wait. Wow, look at that candle. Wow, look at that candle. We're gonna let this die down. So if you go on Tiny AI and you go onto historical trade designs, and put every candle, every text. It's gonna show you all the trade designs that's happened in the past. And then you see that, if you can nail the entry, Titan always, manages to hit 101, 1.5 extremely consistently. That's how I've been able to get confidence in the system of just try to nail the entries as much as possible. Um, and try to aim for 101, 1.5 to get consistent wins. It's mind blowing when you look at the past trade designs of how often it hits it. It's actually pretty ridiculous. So we got that big ass candle. Obviously, we're not going to trade. We're going to let the market show its hand and do whatever it got to do. Wait for this volatility to die down. Of course, short under the 200, or I'll just go long, continuing on in this trade design right here. We're just gonna wait patiently, let market do its shit right here. What uh, what are the other ones doing? ES is pretty much doing the same thing. And what's the Russell doing? Doing the same thing. Okay. We're just gonna stick with YM today. Sorry, off the 48 5 minute. I don't know what the fuck you're saying, Moto. Aaron, I noticed it repaints a lot though. You don't see all the false alerts that didn't pan out when scrolling through history if you did alerts on once per candle. That's true. You don't see all the false alerts. And that's totally fine. Um, or on the other hand, if you do once per candle close, then the alerts are very late. Of course, you might not be able to hit your 101, 1.5 or better ratio. Um, if you're curious about the back testing, look at the Doug 1746 posted at 8:08 last night in the market chat. It's one of the Gabe's homework assignments from months ago. Yeah, yeah, it is very hard to nail the entries. But there you do have a lot of times where you get alerted correctly and you nail the entry and you nail the 101 1.5. Um, that happens a lot of times. Also, you can say that about vice versa of getting false alerts or the trade design printing, but the candle already ran. That happens a lot too. But in that case, you just have to be, you have to be very meticulous on where you enter on the trade design. Um, you can choose to ignore it and just not take it and wait for the next trade design, or take it. You need to set alerts for other indicators as well to get early alerts. Yeah, I think I don't know how to set the alerts. I just my alerts are my eyes are glued on the charts 24 fucking 7, 24/7. But I think you have to do it based on like on the 1 minute, like 1348 cross on the 1 minute to prepare you for a potential trade design, something like that. Something like that. Say your alert for XL cross to once close that happens prior to new trade design. Then you sit and wait for the new trade design. Oh, there you go. That makes sense, E. Set your alert for XL cross. Okay, that happens prior to new trade design. There you go. That makes totally much more sense. Okay, so we caught the 200 here. See if we can hold. I need a little bit more strength. Right now, the EMAs are braided. They're pointed straight. So um, it's a really risky play because price action does not know what it wants to do. Braided. What's up, the gamer? Good morning. A little braided. Yeah, we got some EMA braids. We got some uncertainty on price action. Doesn't know what it wants to do. So we're just gonna still let this play out and do its thing. What's up, everybody coming in? Good morning. So still nothing yet. Probably. Well, the trade design actually when the trade design printed here, the entry was already all the way up there. Strange. Wasn't able to catch MES this morning, Rip. I don't think you would have caught it regardless because of how fast it is, and you're trading like the first like few minutes of the market open, so it's a pretty risky play. I mean, I didn't catch it either. I just waited for all the data to come out, let the market do its thing, and then I trade. I don't like to get caught up on all the noise. I don't like that MYM has a level right there at the entry of the trade design. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. Me neither. You can choose not to risk it or tighten up your risk if you're not comfortable. So we got price going to its entry, still nothing yet. I'm gonna see what's up with this level right here. See how sensitive it is. Oh, by the way, um, I back tested YM last night, for like 3 hours straight from the M2K printed a new design. Let me check it out right here on this screen. So, I back tested YM. It certainly did. It certainly did, and it looks really nice. It looks really nice. It looks really nice. Um, okay, like I was saying, yeah, that shit looks nice, dude. A little late to the entry, but it looks nice. I mean, I'm late to the party. I mean, I'm not that late. I'm not that late, but I don't want to FOMO it. I don't want to FOMO it. I'm gonna stick with MYM. I don't want to FOMO it just yet. It does look really good. It looks very, very, very good. Um, like I was saying, so I back tested YM for like 3 hours, and um, I did it with between 24 to 30 ticks of maximum breathing room through the month of March and April. And through the March and April, I would say 30 ticks was more than enough breathing room on the month of March and April for YM for maximum risk. So 30 ticks, it would be like that. It'll be maximum risk up to here. Sometimes the trade designs, because it all the trade design prints based on how big the fucking candles are. And that's fine. You could risk a little bit more, like over here, but 30, I think that's good enough. What's up, Mark? Bro, I hope you got into that Russell trade design because that shit is nice, bro. It's moving so nice, bro. I really hope you got into that M2K. It's already about to hit that 1-1. Target that top of the level and be fucking out of there, bro. I didn't want to enter because it ran up past the entry a bit. I wasn't comfortable with doing that. But if you took that Russell play, bro, you did amazing. This is a beautiful play right here. As soon as I saw it crossing up, I'm like, bro, that's amazing. You just target right here from here to there. That's like what, like a 1.3 risk reward ratio, and you're done, bro. That's a good play right there. That's a good play. I'm in. It's free now. Good shitty. Good shit. Nice one, dude. Good for you, bro. So now we got MYM here, and I move my risk right here. What's this right here? And that's fine because I know there's a level right there, and that's completely fine. So, okay, and we're gonna do 1.5. And if it stops me out, that's fine. I'll just enter again at the break of this level. 2 trades in a day and just be out of there. You took it? Nice one, dude. So got stopped out because it got rejected off the level. So now we wait. Why did this one stay open? Like, look, I wait for the break of this level right here because obviously it respected it, and I'll enter again. No worries. Price is still chopping around just a bit. You got to give it a little bit more patience for that play. Yeah, yeah, the little E did print nice. Who else took the Russell play? Was it just E? Oh, well, Big Joe took the Russell play too. Congratulations, y'all. That was a really good trade. This one right here is a little bit more choppy, but I'm closer to entry, so that's totally fine. Stop loss, you move the tide to the level. Great. You got stopped out. Amazing, bro. You managed your risk. You took your trade. That's all you had to do. That's all you had to do. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still gonna wait for this one, and it looks like my trade copier is Well, that sucks. One of my my Ninja Trader's acting up. Nice one, E. Okay, let me fix my Ninja Trader because that shit's acting up. It still had a contract running, so that's not good. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm good now. I had to open a new tab. Yeah, I think I'm good. Okay, let's try this again. Still chopping around, not doing shit. And we get this one trade, and I'm gonna call it because two trades is more than enough for me. Yeah, it's not doing jack shit. Nah, it's still a little braided. It's not gonna do anything. You took on M2K. You took profit on the level on M2K. Yeah, because it's probably respecting it. Yeah, it still has very nice strength though. Very nice strength. So I don't blame you for taking profit at the level. You're under the 1.5, so that's amazing. You did great. Yeah, MES is still running as well. You'll re-enter if we get a clean break and retracement to the level. If I'll re-enter if you get a clean break. Okay. Break and hold on the level. Okay. I get you. I hear you. I hear you. Multiple ways to skin the cat. So it's losing MYM is losing its steam. It's going the complete opposite way of MES and MNQ and the Russell. Just going the complete opposite way. It's not gaining the strength that it needs to push past it. So obviously I have to switch my bias at the flip of a dime. New trade design. Red, red. Okay. So I know that the 200 is right there, and we have that level right there. Um, so best case scenario, it's to just wait it out. It's to wait it out. The high and day low. Bro, to be honest, bro, I did that shit by mistake. I was playing around with some settings in the 1348 Legends, and I can't get it back to thin. I used to have it thin. I can't get it back to thin anymore. So I just fucking left it. It looks nice though. And it pops out really good. Like this is like the range that we're trading in, high and low. Huh. Well, I mean, it puts things into perspective, right? Of the range of what we're trading in from here to there. So, okay. Now it's dying. See, this is the tricky part right here. You can enter on the entry, or I could wait for a break of the 200 in this level, um, and try to enter like that, but I can risk the chance of having the shit run when I can just enter at entry and leave my stop up there. So, what do we want to do? Do we want to trust Titan or do we want to do the 200? Or do we want to wait for the break of 200? This is where you have to see what you want to do because you have RSI coming down, MACD coming down, red candles, but the 200's right there. So this is the equilibrium where it's like, do you want to enter upon entry or do you want to enter upon the break of the 200 and be a little bit more smarter? I don't know. We'll see. I'm not gonna enter yet. I think I'm gonna be a little bit more smarter and wait for the break of the 200. I do know that we have that level right there. Um, but I'll just wait for the break of the 200. And that's where common sense comes in right here. Wait for the break of the 200, then enter. Because if you'd have gone on the entry, you're already getting whiplash all the way down. So it's best to wait. It's under legend settings. I'll tag you in the chat. Thanks, dude. Yeah, this is the part where I always wait for the break of 200. If I miss it, I miss it. Absolutely, dude. Yeah. I wait for the break of the 200 as well. It's just a lot more smarter. It's just a lot more smarter. Because if not, you just get chopped around right here. And clearly you're just hanging around and chop. Has anybody else took a trade or you're just waiting patiently because you're trading MES? I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys here just only trade MES or MNQ, either or. There's no trade designs on those though. No trades for you? Awesome. You're long on MNQ? Great. I hope it's working out for you, dude. From earlier this morning. Nice. Nice. You've been in that play for a long time then. Come on, do something. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Mark, did you take the trade design from Market Open? And you've been in it this whole entire time? Just got stopped out, but made it little. Going to jump back. You're gonna jump back in, off like a retracement or something. Damn, dude, do you wanna fucking die or not? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna do? Oh, nice. You added to your winners. Yeah, yeah, we were talking about that yesterday, right, Mark? About adding to your winners. And then you add it once you get to 2 to 1. Am I right? I think that's what you said. Pretty sure you did say that. MES is coming down. Yeah, MES is coming down. It sure is. I mean, there's nothing to do yet, though. I mean, you're still uptrending, so best bet is to go long again, unless you get a clean break of the 48. But you're gonna meet some resistance because you are counter trending. I'm also working on scaling out plan today. Same idea, but reverse. Okay. So would you scale out like say like you add at 2 to 1 and then at 3 to 1 you scale out one and then et cetera, just keep on going like that? I don't know, something like that. It's pretty interesting of everybody's different ways to trade, even though we trade the same thing, which is 1348. I just love how everybody has like their like little thing, like, oh, like I have this little thing, I keep it in my back pocket, so to help me out. It's just it's so interesting. That everybody's trading experience is completely different. Something like that. Trying to scale up to 5, then make the last contract free. Huh. That's an interesting way of doing it. If you had Ninja Trader, you can Ninja Trader definitely allows you to um do that with multiple take profit, like an ATM strategy. That's what it's called. That's what it's called, an ATM strategy. If you trade NinjaTrader, it allows you to do that. So are we finally gonna die? It could not go above back the EMAs. We're testing the 200 again. We're breaking the 200. And now we're really breaking the 200. So we're gonna wait for that break of the 200. Wow, that whiplash is crazy, dog. That whiplash is crazy. Yeah, I need that break of the 200 to enter. And try to target 1.5. Try to. I'll check it out. I do from my Apex account. Uh, yeah. There's a certain way on NinjaTrader. When you pull up your chart on NinjaTrader, because NinjaTrader is Tradeovate. So when you log on to your NinjaTrader, it connects to your trading view because NinjaTrader is Tradeovate. Um, and then you go to Chart Trader, and then you go to ATM strategy, and then that's where the settings comes out of what do you want to do for your ATM strategy, and then you can do that. Yeah, this might be the same shit as yesterday of how I wasn't able to get a trade on stream, and then fucking like at 2 o'clock, I enter a trade, in and out quick as fuck. It could be another one of those fucking days, or just a consolidating day because tomorrow's break and everybody's going on vacation for the weekend and stuff. So I mean, I'm expecting Friday to be very slow as well because everybody's gonna leave for the 4th of July weekend. So I'm expecting Friday to be super slow as well, exactly like today. Markets close at 1 today. I have no fucking idea. I don't think so. I don't think so because today is not a it's not a federal holiday. So it should be closing at the same time. Should be. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Somebody look that up. Somebody look that up. Of what time the markets close today. They close early today? Ah, shit. No wonder we're caught up in chop, dude. Everybody's long and gone and everybody did their pre-market move over here. No wonder. Huh. This changes everything. Yeah, it closed early at 1. Okay, oh well, this changes everything then. No wonder we're fucking caught up in chop right now, because everybody's long and gone. The fucking move happened over here. I don't know, we'll see. I'll wait till 11. Give it 26 minutes to see what it wants to do. Close at 1 p.m. Yep. Okay. Well, this changes everything. That sucks. Well, it's all right. We'll be done. We'll be done by 11. So, and it looks like the Russell really respected that level. So if he took profit on that level, great. That was a good idea taking profit on that level on the Russell. Yeah, but this thing is just giving, ridiculous whiplash, coming down, coming out, coming down, coming out, coming down, coming up. How does it look here? I mean, we're bearish. The sentiment is still down. The sentiment is still down. Okay. This is what? The fifth time? One, two, three, four, five. The fifth time trying to break the 200 and trying to break this low right here. Literally, this low right here. That low right there. This is the third time to try to break that low. Third time. And it finally broke that low. About goddamn time. But then you have this level right here. So, like I said, clean break of the 200, and I'll take the play. Dude, it's like it doesn't want to happen. Every time it gets there, it just gets it's get bought back up. This is probably like the most like annoying part in trading. Where when you get stuck in chop, it's so annoying, bro. It's so annoying. You're just staring at it like, what do you want to do? 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 And it doesn't do anything. It's so frustrating. That's why like your patience just has to be like on point. That's why like emphasis on like, you know, just getting alerts, take the trade design and go, much more convenient. Much more convenient. Yeah, it does not want to break that. I mean, the sensitivity to here is crazy. It's insane. It's like five tries. It already came down here, 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 here. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to go down. Okay. If it can't break the 200 now, okay, now it's doing something. If it still can't break the 200 now, I'm probably just gonna cut stream because I don't want to just be glued on the charts and not doing anything at all. Okay, we're gonna get a break right here. Okay, we got to stop there. We're gonna go down. I'm gonna leave it right there where Tiny AI is, and I'm gonna target the 1.5 if I can even get there. If I can even get to the 1.5, right there. So there you go. That's my trade design. This is gonna be my last shot of the day, and let's just see what happens. Let's see what she does. Not bad. Just keep on dying so I can leave. Keep on dying so I can leave. Let's see what she does. Let me see. Can I get to around this, closer to this level right there? Let's see. Let's aim for that. 39,595. Let's try to aim for that. Doesn't necessarily have to hit it, but what matters is that I trail my stop. I just want to target a hit. See if I can get close to that level. See if I can target close to that level. But that's gonna be okay because I'm just gonna trail my stop. Even if it doesn't hit it, it doesn't matter. Just to trail the stop and I'll be okay. Let's see what she does. You got RSI, nose diving. It's below 50. MACD is separating. Great indications. So let's start cutting my risk down. Move it a tiny eye trailing stop right there. So we're about to touch that level. Fingers crossed, Ashley L. Good morning. So if I touch this level right here, I'll move my wrist down to the 200. Keep on trailing it. I move my wrist to 200. Okay, let's see if she breaks. And let's see if she dies. Okay, so let's make it free. Free play. Can we get to my target? Don't congratulate me yet, E. I'm not there. My TP's there. Don't congratulate me yet. So time to watch it. Time to watch this play like a fucking hawk. NQ boner. Oh my god. Don't tell me that. Don't give me anxiety. I hope it doesn't do a boner candle on me. Can we break the level? If we hold this level, I'm gonna move my wrist down for even more. Let's see, what do you want to do? We got 5 seconds here. Let's move my wrist a little bit more down. Let's move it down. We still got bearish sentiment. What do we want to do here? We're just hanging out. We're just hanging out. Don't, can't be scared. I'm trying to get to my target, but I'm managing my risk at the same time. If it just happens to get bought buck and boner candle me, I'm okay. I'm okay with that because shoot or shoot, I have a target. I'm aiming for that target. If my stop gets hit, well, unfortunately, that's trading, bro. That's trading, bro. I'm not gonna cry about it. I'm not gonna cry about it. I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, I should have cashed out on the $70. I should have cashed out. I should have cashed out. No, I'm gonna wait. Let's move my wrist down a bit more. Let's move it. Obviously, it's getting this level right here is getting respected. It's okay. We're hanging out. We're hanging out. We're still good. I'm watching it like a hawk. I got the 1 minute up right here. I'm watching its RSI. It's still red. MACD still red. I'm just hanging out. I'm just hanging out. I'm watching it like a hawk though. So let's see what happens. Let's move my wrist down more. Right there. What just happened to this shit? Okay. So far so good. Let's put our stop at the top, right underneath the top of the candle. Okay, not too bad. We're still good. We're still good. I'm watching the 1 minute RSI like a hawk. The moment it starts collapsing and closing to each other, that's when I will move my wrist down even more. Okay, not too bad. Let's go. Okay. We're just hanging out, guys. We're just hanging out. I'm trailing it. I'm watching it. RSI is getting closer. Let me move up my risk further down. Just trailing it. It's getting respected on that level. RSI just crossed its moving average. It's touching it. So we're going to leave our stop right there. That's where it's going to be. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out in profit. But like I said before, shooters shoot. Shooters shoot. And I want to try to get to my target. And if I can't get it, well, that's completely fine. As long as I'm trailing my stop. Yeah, RSI just crossed above. It's losing steam. Clearly, you can see it. I move my wrist down a little bit more, just a little bit more. Now, now I'm choking it. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out right here. And if I don't, that's a miracle, right? That's a lucky trade. So we got 17 seconds on this candle. Will she hold? Let's see. Can we get a break of this level? Can we get a break of this level? No, we're not. We're not getting a break of this level. We didn't get a break of the level. So yeah, we're just gonna leave our stop right. But stopped out. Okay. Well, there you go. There you go. There you go. How do you like that, guys? That was nice, right? That was nice. Not too bad. You know, trailing my risk, choking it like how I'm choking it, just watching it like a hawk. I was already up significantly. Move my stop down, trail it, trail it, trail it, trail it until it dies. Not too shabby, right? Yep. Nice trade, nice. Thank you guys. Yeah, right now it's touching the EMA ribbon. I won't be surprised if it rejects. But that's fine. That's fine. Appreciate it, y'all. Yeah, just trying to get better every day. That's all I can do. All I can do. Well, that was the last trade of the day. So, and it's respecting the ribbon. I'm completely fine if it just dies down. I'm fine with that. Especially with today's sleepy market. Especially, yes, absolutely. Good shit. Thank you, Ashley. I appreciate it. Well, that's it. I was gonna finish at 11, so we got done 8 minutes early. GJ, I'm assuming that means good job. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, well, that's it for the stream. I hope you guys like the performance that I pulled out today. So it was a very fucking slow and long trade to fucking get up to here because we have multiple taps. One, two, three, four, five. Fifth one, it finally broke. As soon as I saw that break, and with that and multiple taps on that, I knew I had to get in that bitch. I had to get in that bitch, or if not, that shit was just gonna run without me. I had to get in it because why? Shoot or shoot, baby, shoot or shoot. Yep. Happy 4th of July. And God bless America. All right, guys. It means what you want it to mean. Oh, look at it die down. If that shit fucking dies back down and hits my take profit, I'd be salty. I would be salty as hell. It touched the ribbon and it retested it and it's coming down again. And the indicators switch red. A true patriot. That's right. All right, guys. Have a wonderful 4th of July and have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys on Friday, I think, if the market isn't slow.